In previous video, I showed you how to make preparation in apartment with soft concrete, where was removed tile, so many cracks, how to fill up cracks with self-leveling compound, how to put foam, and all these things. Now, we have to follow another step. It's put primer.
You can wait when it's dry and then put tripods and start leveling.
So next step, I'm going to put paper to the wall to protect from splash. Okay. The reason why I put primer first and paper just save time, because need to waiting when its primer will dry.
So now I'm going to set up tripods. So I turn on laser and we can check. Okay, I'm gonna take from this transmitter, from top transmitter. So, and we need to make it even, flat, no, I mean level floor from this point to this point.
Because I have to make connection in bedrooms with existing floor.
I put down this plate and make mark. So this is the 0 point. Now we can go to any places around and set up tripods. So for example, I put it right here. And put it right here. So here is 0. Here is 0. There is nothing. Okay. What about here? Here is 0. Okay.
In this tripod, very important part is bottom plate. This bottom plate showed you how much self-leveling compound you have to put.
Okay.
With central ball, you can lift it up, this bottom plate, or put it down. Very easy. When you're using laser, you can see the level what you have to put up with bottom plate.
Exactly. Okay. Oh, exactly. Okay, here is just smooth.
If you want to use spark roller where there's not much self-leveling compound, you can do diagonal rolling. You can see it. If you do this with big spike and not much compound, diagonal rolling will help you to make nice this place and smooth.
You see, very easy to control leveling process. Just need to fill up self-leveling compound by the bottom plates, and that's it.
Not that what. So now we can have a look what we did. So this is the kitchen. If you remember, there was like 1.25 inch we fill up. Yeah. So now going to another side. So you see, here is I make flat. Just here maybe a little higher. I can grind down because who did it previous leveling, they do a little more than needed. So and all hallway. Now use it for airplane, you know. Look how it's nice. Entrance already getting start dry. Okay, so if somebody said it's easy job, no, it's not easy. But if you little concentrate, use right tools, you can get best result. And tomorrow we'll see how it's getting done. Here is another day when it's concrete settle. In this hallway, you see, in this entrance, and if you remember here, this here is the connection to the hardwood. And I just example how it's straight. I can show you any places, and here and right here. So you remember here was connection with previous leveling somebody did, and I wanna do smooth grinding here. So okay, we just fast check. You see? Here is also we can check here. So it means pretty good. So now it's let it dry because it's still very wet. So and I want to start grinding here and do some other things.